Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Capital One app an error has occurred. So first of all, you need to completely restart mobile data on your device. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open up the control center. Over here, in the top left, you'll see a circular icon that looks like an antenna with radio waves around it. And if this icon is green, that means cellular data is turned on. So now what you need to do is tap on this icon to completely turn off your cellular data. Wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then again tap on this data icon to turn it back on. This should fix the Capital One app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Capital One app. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix the Capital One app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for the Capital One app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix the Capital One app an error has occurred. But if it doesn't, then you need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate all the way to the app page. Once you're on this screen, tap on Delete App to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, you need to open up App Store and then search for the Capital One app right over here in the search bar. And then click on this Get button to install it back on your device. Well, that's how you fix Capital One app an error has occurred. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.